Hello everyone, I'm again with you with a new topic, that is respiration in plants. This is our new topic. In the previous session, we have discussed about the respiration process and the types of respiration. And as you know, in the respiration, carbon dioxide, water, these are the main product. So today we will discuss about respiration in plant. It comes in your mind that do plant respire? Yes, plants also respire. No doubt they are doing photosynthesis. They take carbon dioxide, prepare their food and release oxygen. But at some time, they also take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, and this is the process of respiration. So plants also take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. This oxygen is used in the cells to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water and release energy like in animals. And how do plants respire? That means what is the particular area from where the air will enter? So that is the stomatas. These stomatas are the tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. So on the surface of leaf, these tiny pores are present. These are stomata. And from these stomata, the gases exchange will take place. The root hairs also help to take air from the soil. This is soil, this one is root, and these are the root hairs. So from the soil, air enter through the root hairs, and from air they utilize oxygen for respiration process. So what happened? As you can see that the photosynthesis equation was carbon dioxide and water and sun energy gives glucose and oxygen, and respiration is just opposite to the photosynthesis. देखिए, glucose and oxygen was the product here, but here in the respiration equation these are reactant, glucose and oxygen, and they form carbon dioxide, water, energy. Basically these three are reactant here. So you can see फोटोसिंथेसिस की इक्वेशन का जस्ट अपोजिट कौन सी इक्वेशन है? रेस्पिरेशन. ओके. Now plant respiration, during the daytime they do photosynthesis. They take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. But during the night time, when there is no sunlight, they do not do photosynthesis. Then during the night time, they take oxygen in and give out carbon dioxide. So this picture is very important. It tells us about the photosynthesis and respiration. Now these are the conditions when photosynthesis and respiration takes place. Dark, that means during night. Respiration only takes place, no photosynthesis, because there is no sunlight. And during respiration, oxygen taken in. Obviously, in the process of respiration, oxygen is required and carbon dioxide given out. During bright light, photosynthesis rate is greater. That means photosynthesis takes place. Then the respiration rate. Respiration will take place near about to say no. That means na ke barabar. And that's why carbon dioxide taken in and oxygen given out. But what happened in dim light? In dim light, photosynthesis rate equals respiration rate. Means जितनी carbon dioxide अंदर आएगी उतनी ही ऑक्सीजन बाहर जाएगी, और फिर उतनी ही ऑक्सीजन अंदर आएगी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर जाएगी. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से द रेट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन is equals to the rate of photosynthesis. Means there is no net intake. Net intake means भाई जितनी CO2 गई उतनी बाहर भी निकल गई, तो देखा जाए तो जीरो मूवमेंट हुआ, जीरो गेन और लॉस हुआ है. द सेम हैपन इन द केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. जितनी ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकली फोटोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू उतनी ही रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू अंदर आ गई. तो देखा जाए तो जितना दिया उतना ही वापस ले लिया, तो जीरो ट्रांजिशन मानेंगे हम तो इस बात को. एडिशन तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. सो देयर इज नो नेट इनटेक और रिलीज of either oxygen or carbon dioxide. So this is very important chart. So during the dim light, photosynthesis and respiration rate equals to each other. So this one is the photosynthesis in plants. And I want to tell you one more thing, that we have discussed that the green plants having this kind of stomata on the surface of their leaf. But what about the dead part? Means what about the stem, older stem of the plant? So on the older stem of the plant, as you know that the older stem is made up of dead cells, and these dead cells contain small pores, and these small pores are known as lenticles. These lenticles help in the exchange of gases. So roots respire, roots gain these gases from the soil. Green part gain these gases from the stomata, like leaf gain it gases from the through stomata, and the older stem of the plant, they take these gases, they exchange these gases through lenticles. I hope you understand. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye, beta. God bless you all.